Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss GK next lesson, that is lesson number 10, Women. Now, in today's generation, we all know that women are in every field as compared to men. Means more than men, the number of women are more in all fields. Means we can't see only in educational field, it is in every field. Now here women is distinguished in two parts. First one is the Indian woman power and second is the international woman power. So in the Indian woman power there are 5 names that we are going to discuss. First is Kiran Bedi, second is Padmavati Bandopadhyay, second is Santosh Yadav, fourth is Bachendri Pal and fifth is Fatima Bibi. In the international women power, we will be discussing of Benazir Bhutto, Valentina Tereshkova, Anne Bancroft and Anousheh Ansari. Now here on the screen, the first image you can see is of Kiran Bedi. Now Kiran Bedi is a very famous personality, as we all know. But exactly what we should know more in detail about Kiran Bedi. So let's start. Kiran Bedi is a retired Indian Police Service officer, social activist, former tennis player and politician who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. She is the first female Indian Police Service officer and started her service in 1972. She remained in service for 35 years before taking voluntary retirement in 2007 as Director General, Bureau of Police Research and Development. Second image you can see on the screen is the Padmavati Bandopadhyay's image. She is also been called as Padma. She was born on 4th November 1944. She is a former air officer in the Indian Air Force. She was the first woman to be promoted to the rank of Air Marshal in the Indian Air Force. She is the second woman in the Indian Armed Force to be promoted to a 3-star rank. Next image is of a Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is an Indian mountaineer. She is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice and the first woman to successfully climb Mount Everest from Kangshung face. She climbed the peak first in May 1992 and then again in May 1993 with an Indo-Nepalese team. Then the next image is of Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by Government of India in 2019. Next image is of Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi is a former judge of the Supreme Court of India, appointed to Apex Court in 1984. She became the first female judge to be a part of Supreme Court of India and the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any of the higher judiciary in the country. Students, here one correction is there, typing mistake is there. Fatima, Fathima, it has to be. Here H is missing, so just while reading just remember that H has to be in there. After T, H has to be there. Now the next image you can see is of Benazir Bhutto. Benazir Bhutto was a Pakistani politician who served as Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1988 to 1990 and again from 1993 to 1996. She was the first woman to head a democratic government in a Muslim majority nation. Next image is of a Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova is a member of a Russian state Duma engineer and former cosmonaut. She is the first and youngest woman to have flown in the space with a solo mission on Vostok 6 on 16 June 1963. Now next image you can see on the screen is Anushay Ansari. Now Anushay Ansari, as you can see her image, by seeing the image something idea you must have got that what exactly she is. Anushay Ansari is an Iranian American engineer and co-founder and chairman of Prodia Systems. Her previous business accomplishments include serving as a co-founder and CEO of Telecom Technologies. The Ansari family is also the title sponsor of Ansari X Prize. Ansari was the fourth overall self-funded space tourist and first self-funded woman to fly in the International Space Station. Next is Anne Bancroft. Anne Bancroft is an American author, teacher, adventurer, and public speaker. She was the first woman to successfully finish a number of arduous expeditions to Arctic and Antarctic. She was inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame in 1995. By this, we have finished with our women video. So in the next PPT, in the next PDF, you will get all the notes, and that notes you have to copy it in your GK notebook. Thank you, students.